Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. Well, we found out what it is. If you are on Windows 10, you might have seen an extra update. If you go into the Windows update for Patch Tuesday today, and you're on 22H2, update and security, there's the standard cumulative update for the Patch Tuesday, but I had an extra one. And now from the comments I've seen, some of you see it, some of you have that extra update, some of you don't. So if I look at my update history here, that extra update is this one's security update for Windows 10 version 22H2, which is KB5050411. It's a standalone security update, so that means it doesn't influence the build number of the cumulative updates. They've done this on purpose because I guess they know that for some it could be a problem and there could be something wrong with it. So that's why they haven't included that in the cumulative update. So remember that botched update that freaked out a lot of people a year ago in Windows 10? It was replaced by KB5040411 We talked about it today, actually, because it keeps repeating and installing again and again for some. And I told you to hide it if it comes back. Well, this is a updated version of that update. So it seems that they've tweaked the security update a little more. The reason they do that is because it was known that the fix was not perfect, and that it had flaws, but also that it had performance issues. So they tweaked it into a different update to fix some of the bugs. And now they're actually tweaking it probably again because they're trying to make it even more, give it more performance, basically. So if it shows up, it should install normally because it's supposed to show up only for people that their Windows Recovery environment is big enough, has enough space for it to install. So in my case here, it does work. But if your Windows PC on Windows 10 does not have a recovery environment or it's too small, this update shouldn't show up. If it does and it starts repeating or giving error messages, well, all you got to do is use the show hide tool that I have in the previous video and just hide it. It doesn't matter. You won't have any problems because you hide it. But yeah, it's an update to the Windows Recovery environment that has to do, of course, with people that are using BitLocker encryption on Windows 10. There was a security flaw was discovered last year, so this is a fix for that. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.